Good morning, boys and girls. So good to see you guys again. I wanted to show you Alexander, to show you he's doing well. He's up there sunbathing on his rock. I don't know if you can see him. The light's a little bit bright there, but yeah, he's doing good. He's eating and he's having fun. So yeah, just wanted to let you know that he's doing good. I have my baby here. So you might hear a little grunting every once in a while. Remember him? This is Ian. Good morning, Ian. Hi. Anyways, I wanted to sing our good morning song together. So let's do it, shall we? Good morning, dear earth. Good morning, dear sun. Good morning, dear resting stone and peace on the run. Good morning, dear flower and birds in the trees. Good morning to you. Good morning to me. Oh, so good, guys. I'm so glad to have you guys here. I have some fun things planned for you today, so let's get to it. Alright, hi boys and girls. Like I promised, I wanted to do a science experiment with you guys. So for this experiment, we're going to be doing what the water cycle looks like. So because it's been raining, not today, but yesterday was raining, and it's kind of been raining a little bit last week, so I thought it was a really good time for us to talk about the water cycle, why it rains, and what makes the rain come down, and how our clouds form. So we've done this experiment before, or something like it, but for some of us we haven't, so I thought it'd be a good time for us to do it together. So for this experiment, we need a clear jar, and if you want, you can ask mom and dad if you can do this experiment at home too, but we're gonna use a clear jar. Oh, I have to get the rest of my materials. How silly of me. I'll be right back. We also need some ice in a metal container, and I have a nice small metal container to keep my ice, but and that way it will sit nicely on my jar. But if you don't have something small like this, you can just use like a baking pan, something like that. As long as it's metal, it's kind of what you want. And the most important part, we're going to need boiling water. So this especially you need mom and dad's help, okay? And make sure you do not touch the water. But the water that we're going to use is going to be very hot, all right? I haven't gotten it yet because it's going to be too hot for me to hold, so let me go get that. I'll be right back. All right, I've gotten my boiling water, and look, here it is, and you can already see what's happening to the side of the jar. And can you see the top? Let's see if I can put it behind I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but there's some steam coming out. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I can see it. There's like this little smoke, kind of looks like a white smoke coming out the top of the jar. Do you guys know what that is? It's the water. Yeah, so the water is actually coming around the top here, and before I lose too much of that water, I'm going to put my jar on it like this, or my ice on top of it like this, and show you what that looks like. Alright, so I also need one more thing. I'm going to be right back. While we wait for the water to do its thing, I forgot to tell you that baby Ian is here. He's joining us for our science experiment. He's going to be a scientist when you grow up, huh, Ian? You're going to be a scientist. Yeah. Alright. He's going to help us out with our experiment here, but just to be careful not to touch that hot water, right? Okay, so let me see if the water is doing what it's supposed to do. Okay, so we saw that the hot water, so I made the water nice and hot because if there's water in like the lake or something, it eventually gets hot. Not hot like this. It takes time, but where does that heat come from, boys and girls? It comes from the sun. So I'm going to draw the sun up here to show that the sun is making our water hot. And that hot water doesn't want to stay on the ground. It wants to go up into the sky. So that's what all of these little water droplets go up into the sky, and they turn into vapors, which actually is not even visible. You can't even see it with your eyes. So these ones are actually not the water vapors, but for for the purposes of our experiment. Okay, and then what happens when it goes way up into the sky is that it goes into the sky and stays there, right? But up in the sky, it's kind of cold. And that's why we have our ice there, because it's a little bit cold. And now let's see what's happening to our water vapors. Can you guys see that? Well, the water vapors are turning into big droplets. So here's the small drops, and it is turning into now big drops. And when we get to the bigger drops, it becomes clouds. Let me draw that, boys and girls, because now we have clouds. Wow! So our water vapors are becoming clouds. And then what happens when those water vapors get bigger and bigger? I'm not sure. Oh, let's see. Some of it's doing it already. Let's turn to this side of our jar. What's happening here? It's raining! The water droplets on top are getting so big and so heavy that they are turning into big water droplets and they fall from the sky. So that's how we get rain. So let's see. Here's our rain. A raindrop came out. Oh, here's another one. Another raindrop. There it goes. There it goes all the way down. All the way down. And some of our other water drops are getting big. You can start to see them, right? It's not looking like just a little foggy mist anymore. Now it's actually looking like big raindrops falling from the sky. Oh, I'm erasing my sun and my cloud. Oopsies. Let's do that again. All right, so the cloud makes the rain come down. All right, and because the water droplets are so big and so heavy, it even looks dark. So you don't get those white clouds in the sky anymore. When it rains, the clouds usually look very dark, right? Because the water droplets are so big, they're falling from the sky. And then after they fall from the sky, where does it go, boys and girls? Right back into the oceans, the lakes, even into the water, our plants. And that is the water cycle. It goes right back where it started. And then it does it all over again. The rain stops, the sun comes out, and again the ground gets nice and hot, the water gets nice and hot, and the water vapors go right back up into the air. So we call that the water cycle. Yay! What a great experiment, guys. I hope you do get a chance to do this with mom and dad, or at least you enjoyed watching it and doing it with me. So I think this is a pretty cool experiment. Let's see how our clouds are doing. Whoa! You can even see some of our droplets are gone. They fell, so they're not in part of the cloud anymore. They fell down onto the earth. Okay. All right. Great job, guys. I hope you have a good rest of the day. Say bye-bye, Ian. Bye-bye. Bye, look, Ian. Bye, everyone. See you later. He's interested in the water cycle. Look at, he's going to be a scientist. All right. Have a great day, guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Miss you. See you later. Bye.